Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah. My dear student, good morning to you all. Today, inshallah, we will continue our revision for the third year. My name is teacher Inas Al-Hdethi. So I hope you are ready and excited to have our revision. You will find this revision at your books at page 30 and page 31. Page 30 and 31, we'll be revising the first unit we have. Okay, so let's start. Bismillah. So let's introduce our lesson. As I told you, we are going to revise the unit or the books, the lesson you have at page 30 and 31. So let's try to learn or see what objectives, what are you going to get from this lesson. So you will be able to identify different means of transportation. Okay, different. We have different ways to travel from one place to another. Also, you will be able to answer questions regarding present simple or simple present. Okay, we will have more exercises. We are revising more, and also you'll be able to use adverbs of frequency properly in a correct way. So let's start. Bismillah. As I told you, this is a revision. You will find it at page 30 and 31. This is the cover, travel and transportation. This is unit number 2. So, just by looking at the cover itself, my dear student, you will be able to identify, or as you can see, different kind of transportation mean, right? If you want to travel to Mecca, you might travel by in different ways, okay? So let's discuss some. So, if we have, and we practice this during the lesson, if you could remember, how do you get to your school? How do you get to your school? We might go, or each person might have a different way to get to his school. Perhaps by bus, by bike, by car, or on foot. So if I want to know how do you get to Dammam, or how do you get to your farm, let's say, okay? This is the correct question. How do you get to your destination or to the place, to your office, okay? By bus, by bike, by car, on foot. On foot. Very good, very good. Different ways. So, how about this one? I need your help here. I need you to help me to match. To your left, I have different pictures. Actually, I have 5 pictures of different transportations. To your right, I have 5 words. Let's try to match them together. Starting by the first one. The first one to your left, top. What is that? Is it a bus, a truck, a bike, a car, or a train? What do you think? What do you think it is? It's a truck. Very good. It is a truck. Very good, very good. So the first one I have is a truck. How about the second one? What do you think? It's not a car. It's a bus. Very good. It's a bus. Excellent, excellent. How about the next one? What do you think? I have bike, car, and train now. It's definitely a car. Very good. It's definitely a car. Excellent. The next one I have, now I have a bike and a train. It's a train. Very good. It is a train. Very good. And the last one here I have is a bike. Very good, very good. So let's go and read the words one more time. Bus, truck, bike, car, and train. Very good, very good. Let's move to the next one. So here I need you to write the correct answer under each picture. I have the answers in the yellow box. Let's read the words here and then try to answer each one at a time, okay? I have plane, taxi, train, truck, and motorcycle. So let's try to guess, because we already know some of the answers. So let's try. I already gave you number 1, which is a bus. Let's move to the next one. What do you think is number 2, my dear student? What do you think? Is it a taxi? Is it a train? No, it's a motorcycle. Very good. It is a motorcycle. Very good. You have to be very careful when you write that one with the helmet and everything. How about number 3? What is number 3? Number 3 is? Very good. It's a plane. It's a plane. Excellent, excellent. How about number 4? What is number 4? It's a train. That's right. It's a train. Very good, very good. Number 5. Now, I still have truck and taxi. What do you think number 5 is? It is a truck. Very good. It is a truck. Excellent. And the last picture I have is a taxi. So let's go ahead. Let's read the words one more time. Number 1, bus, motorcycle, plane, train, truck, and taxi. Very good. And taxi. Now, also we need to revise, because this is a revision, the present simple or simple present tense. Okay. How to introduce it? I try to draw this one. To your left, as you can see, I have a flower that is surrounded by 4 pronouns. I have you, I, we, and they. And I have the verb like. No S. I like, you like, we like, they like. That's right. Moving to the next flower, I have 3 pronouns here. She, he, and it. In the middle, I have the verb likes. Okay, so she likes, he likes, it likes. So we must have S with the verb. We are talking about the affirmative present simple. So she likes, he likes, it likes. Sometimes I add S. Sometimes I need to add ES or change the Y into IES, as we discussed in our lesson. So let's have some exercises here. Choose the correct answer. I have 3 people with 3 different occupations. Let's start with the first one. A firefighter fires. What do you think? Puts out or put out? S or no S? What do you think? A firefighter. He. A firefighter puts out. Very good. He puts out fires. Very good, very good. Let's go to a chef. What do you think? A chef. Delicious food. Cooks with ES or cooks with just S? What do you think? Because we discussed this lengthily. When do I add ES? When do I just add S? Very good. I have cooks. Cooks. Option B. And for the last picture, I have a teacher at school. A. S or B, ES? Because teach ends in CH. If you could remember, if I have it ends, or if I have the verb end in CH, SH, or X, okay, I must have ES. So the answer here is teaches. A teacher teaches at school. Very good. So let's read the answer. A firefighter puts out fires. A chef cooks delicious food. A teacher teaches at school. Very good. Let's go to this one. How about this one? Choose the correct answer. Number 1, he drives his car every day. What do you think? He. S or no S? Definitely S. Very good. He drives his car every day. How about number 2? We plays tennis after school. What do you think? We play. Very good. No S here. How about number 3? He eats ice cream. What do you think? Of course, we will have S. He eats ice cream. Very good. Number 4, they sleeps in their bedrooms. What do you think? S or no S here? I have the pronoun they, so sleep. We don't need S here. Very good. And number 5, the last one, it walks in the park. What do you think? S or no S? Definitely S. Very good. It walks in the park. It walks in the park. Very good. So that was all we need to learn about the present simple. Also, let's have this one. Adverbs of frequency. If you could remember, and I know you are, we discuss adverbs of frequency only by asking this question. How often do you do something? How often do you visit your relatives? How often do you go to work? How often do you pray, right? In order to answer these questions, we must use adverbs of frequency. Here I have 6 different adverbs of frequency. Let's read them together. I have never, sometimes, usually, often or often, always, and rarely. Very good. So, what do you think? Something that has full stars, like 100%. Which one is it? It is always. Very good. I always pray on time. I always help and listen and respect my parents. Very good. Always. How about the next one? Like 95 to 99, I have usually. Very good. Usually. How about the next one? I have often. Very good. Often. That is 75 to 90%. Often. And next I have sometimes. Very good. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. That's 50%. 50%. Next one I have is rarely. Rarely. Okay. Very low percentage, right? And for the last one, 0% is never. I never lie. We never cheat. We never steal, right? Something we never do, okay? So let's read the adverbs of frequency. After we put them in order, we have always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. Very good. Also, we introduce some and any in that unit. So let's talk more. When do I use some and when do I use any? For some, as you can see, I must use it with with affirmative sentences, with singular, with countable and with uncountable. There are, we have got, she has got. Milk, oranges, onions, sugar, and cheese. Some of these items are countable, some are not. Okay, but all these sentences are in affirmative sentences. For any, I use any with a negative and questions. There aren't, there isn't, she hasn't got, I haven't got. Also, I use them with questions. Are there, is there, have you got, has he got. Also, to your right, I have some countable and uncountable nouns like apples, bread, water, flour, carrots, bread, sweets, and ice. Some items here we can count, some we cannot. Okay, so let's have some exercises. What do I use here, or what do I choose here? Choose some or any. Okay, so let's start with number 1. There is some, any milk in the fridge. Okay, let's look at the sentence. It's affirmative, right? So it's not a question, not negative, definitely some. There is some milk in the fridge. Number 2, we don't need some or any flour. Negative, I have not here. Definitely any. We don't need any flour. Very good. Next one I have, can I have some water? Very good. Some water. This is an offer. Oh, sorry, this is a request. It's not a question. Can I have some water, please? Number 4, are there some or any eggs in the fridge? This is a question. Any. Very good. Any eggs in the fridge. And the last one, there are some cats in the garden. Very good. There are some cats in the garden. Very good. Very good. Let's move to our pages. As you can see, we have this at page 30. So I hope you have your books ready at page 30, and let's try to do them together. Complete. I have this zoomed in. So as you can see, I have 6 different transportations. Okay, and I have 6 lines. He helped us here, or they helped us by giving us the first letter. Okay, as you can see, it's in a light gray, but we have the first letter. So let's start by number 1. Okay, so what do you think number 1 is? Is it a car? Is it a train? What do you think? Number 1 is a plane. Very good. Number 1 is a plane. Okay. If you wrote this, I need you to keep writing them as many times as you can in order to practice handwriting. Very good. How about number 2? What do you think? they already give us the letter S. So it is ship. Very good. A ship. Let me try to. It's a ship. Very good. And also I need you to write them here as many times as you can. Next one, what do you think? We have a letter T here. Train. Very good. It's a train. Excellent. And keep writing the word train. Number 4. We already have the letter C. What do you think? We have a red car. Very good. Car. I'm sure your handwriting is better than mine because you are using your pencils or pen. Number 5. How about number 5? I have letter B, a bike. Very good. Or a bicycle. Very good. I need you to keep writing. Let me try to fix this one. I have a bike, and keep writing that. Also, for the last one, I have number 6. We have the letter B here. It's a bus. That's right. It is a bus. Very good. Keep writing bus here as many times as you can. So let's try to identify the transportations one more time. Number 1, I have a plane, ship, train, car, bike, and bus. Let's say it one more time. Plane, ship, train, car, bike, and bus. Very good, very good. Let's move now to page 31. How about this one? I will have it zoomed in a minute. This is at page 31. So, read and match. Now, I try to use an adjective with the transportation. As you can see, number 1, it's a comfortable chair. It's a small bike. It's a cheap car. They go to school on foot. It's a big ship. So let's try to match the sentences with the picture. Starting from number 1. It's a comfortable chair. What do you think? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is the chair? It's a comfortable chair. Very good. It's a comfortable chair. This is number 1. Very good, very good. Number 2. It's a small bike. It's a small bike. Let's look for the bike. It's a small bike. Very good. This is a small bike. Excellent. Number 3. It's a cheap car. It is a cheap car. Where's the car? And I can see a price tag, 1,000 Riyal. It's cheap. This is number 3. Very good, very good. Number 4. They go to school on foot. Walking. They go to school on foot. Very good. This is number 4. And number 5, it is a big ship. As you can see, huge ship. This is number 5. Very good, very good. Okay, so let's try to remember what we've learned in this lesson. In this lesson, we revise Unit 2. Travel and transportation. We practice different way to travel or to move from one place to another, perhaps by a car, by a bus, by a train, or on foot. Also, we revise present simple, how to use it, when to use it, S or no S. We practice or we introduce some and any. Also, we practice adverbs or frequency. So that was our lesson. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.